Hi everyone, good evening and welcome to 9th and 10th channel of BYJU'S. I'm your teacher Ankita and I welcome you in this very special session where we will be having quiz. I hope that all of you are excited for this. All of you have been like, oh ma'am, we need quiz. We need Menti, and here we are everyone. Last week only we had this session, but now we have added lots more. We have so many more questions with us. Good evening, good evening. Right on time everyone, we have just started. I was like, as you know that we had, earlier we were in another session of SST. So now we are here. Everyone, so you know the drill, very easy. You have to go on www.menti.com, use the code which is 22975548. Easy peasy. Good evening everyone. So we have the code which is 22975548. Awesome. Very good. Very good. Yes, we'll be starting in a while, in a bit. We'll just wait for your friends to quickly join the class. I hope that all of you have joined, right? I'll also join. Yeah, today will be a tough competition to see, right? That who will be there and how many marks you'll be getting. Okay. Okay, everyone. So let's get started. What we have today is, of course, we have the Jeet Ka Josh series running. And we have very interesting questions from the NCERT of class 9th. 3 chapters, we have fundamental unit, tissues and the improvement in the food production. 3 very interesting chapters and we have covered, I guess, all the topics. So I hope that you are ready. Before we get started, I hope that you have hit the like button for the video and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel everyone and please make sure you call out your friends. It's a very interesting quiz we have, so call out your friends to join the quiz. How's the Josh everyone? How's the Josh? I can see Mihir, you're asking how many chapters? Total 3 chapters we have. According to the CBSE plan, we have 3 chapters in theory per se. Natural resources is there, but of course just for the project. So we don't have the questions from there. Okay, or maybe it could be a surprise. Yes. Very good everyone. Quickly join everyone. I can see that only few of you have joined. Join the quiz everyone. Yes, high energy. Super high energy is there in the class. That's what we need today. I want all of you to be super active. It's anyways we know that it's Menti. So of course we will have a different set together, right? The timing we know, and of course we will be looking at the different rounds. So this time the team have actually, the team have made sure that you have different rounds. And we will be covering different types of questions that will be coming. That will be covering in your examination. That will be coming in your examination. You don't have a board examination for 9th class. For sure, you will have your annual examination. Yes. Leaderboard is there, of course. Leaderboard kahan jayega? Leaderboard bhi hai. Urmila, you have to go on www.menti.com. Use the code then 2297555548. Okay. So we have the code also running. Right, you can see. Fundamental unit of life, tissues and improvement of food production. Okay. Let's move ahead everyone. I hope that you have registered for this. Tomorrow we have this very interesting quiz. If you haven't registered, make sure you register now. And please make sure that tomorrow you're watching this quiz. Yes. Okay everyone. Here we have round 1. I know, right? The heartbeat is very fast. So here we have the round 1 everyone. So in the round 1, we'll be looking at the MCQs questions, different types of it. And we have approximately 20 questions. Okay, chalo. Let's get started with it. All the best everyone. All the best. Do really very good. And, right, I hope that all of you answer correctly. Let's go. Here we have, okay. Here we have all of you. Smiley Queen, we have so many of you everyone. I hope that all of you have joined. Okay, all the best. And here we go to question number 1. I want energy in the class. Okay. The phenomena by which protoplasm of a cell shrink from the wall is called as what? Osmosis, plasmolysis, diffusion or glycolysis. And I would request, please don't answer in the chat box. Don't answer in the chat box. Directly you go and vote, right? Okay, okay. Very easy peasy question. The phenomena by which the protoplasm of a cell shrink from the wall. Yes, keeping my fingers crossed, I hope that all of you have answered it correct. 51 of you have voted for the correct answer, and the correct answer is plasmolysis. Now, I know that I'll not be explaining you in detail, but we know that what is plasmolysis is. Plasma membrane hai, right? Plasma membrane, right? And what happens is just comes a little bit away. That is plasmolysis. Very good. 33 of you have voted for osmosis. It's a clear cut, not the correct answer. Osmosis, of course, we see where the water molecules will be moving from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Yahan pe cell membrane will shrink. Clear? Yes. Just refresh it, Pramod, you will be able to. Okay. Moving to next question, everyone. Here we have question number 2 on your screen. And let's see what's the question number 2 is. Which of the largest cell organelle present in the plant cell? Which is the largest organelle in plant cells? Easy peasy. Nucleus, chloroplast, ER or mitochondria? Yes, very good everyone, quickly vote. Largest cell organelle in plant cell. Plant cell में सबसे बड़ा organelle कौन सा है? Very good. No issues. I'll give you some time. I will give you some time. And the correct answer is nucleus. अरे, see, it's kind of a staircase. ऐसे मतलब थोड़ा सा ऐसे जा रहा है. यहाँ पे confusion क्यों है? I want to know why we have the confusion. See, the largest cell organelle, amongst these, of course, is the nucleus, right? Mitochondria नहीं हो सकता. Mitochondria बहुत छोटू होता है. ER हमें बोल रहे हैं, पर ER nucleus से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. Clear? Right? ER cannot be bigger than the nucleus. Then we have the chloroplast, again it will be very small. So the correct answer is nucleus. Okay. Moving to question number 3. Yes, if agar in, just in case if we have the option vacuole, amongst the option, then of course we would have picked the vacuole. But in the options we don't have it, right? Okay? So that's how in your examination they might confuse you. Okay. Here we go, everyone. Here we go. Ribosomes are the site of. Ribosomes are the site of what? Photosynthesis, respiration, protein synthesis and absorption. Very good, everyone. You have 30 seconds to vote for this. Ribosomes are the site of. Now, ribosomes, we know that are the one which are found both in the prokaryotes as well as in the eukaryotes, right? They're very tiny, cute little structures, right? I don't want to tell you the answer, but I'm sure you know the answer. They are the site of what? They are present on someone, like some organelle. Yes, and the correct answer is protein synthesis. So ribosomes are present on the ER, and that's why we call it as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. And of course, they help in the protein synthesis. Super proud, everyone, super proud. Okay, here we go to question number 4. Question number 4, everyone. Let's see what we have here. Yes, very interesting. Everyone, don't lose up the pace. Be here, right? All cells have a central cell vacuole filled with fluid. True or false? सभी cells में basically एक central vacuole होता है जो filled है fluid के साथ में. Is it true or is it false? Very good. Keep a track of, anyways you will have your scores with you. Yes, very good everyone. 90 of you have voted. And the correct answer is kind of this. All cells have central cell fluid. Vacuole basically filled with. नहीं हो सकता ना? See, vacuole is there in every cell, right? But central cell vacuole, जो बहुत बड़ा vacuole होता है, we just have in the plant cells, not in the animal cell. Okay? Very good. Okay, everyone. So I hope that you got the concept. Yes, here we have. Question number 5, everyone. Oh, Nishid, you're asking what is so special about 5th of December? You will come to know. Okay. Growing 2 or more crops in definite row pattern is called as what? Mixed farming, mixed cropping, intercropping, or crop rotation. Again, growing actually 2 or more crops in a definite row pattern, everyone. What we call it as? Yes, your chart is visible. See, I can see your chart. I'm not taking out your names because so many of you are here. Yes? Very good, everyone. I want to see how many of you will be answering this absolutely correct. It's an easy question. Very good. 52 of you have voted for this, which is absolutely correct. When we are growing 2 or more different types of crops in a definite row pattern, like row by rows, in one we have cauliflower, then we have spinach, then we have cauliflower. In a definite row pattern, we call it as an intercropping. Yes? Very good. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Yes. So I think we will be able to have the leaderboard after rounds. Let's see. Okay. Question number 6, everyone. Question number 6. The only cell organelle seen in the prokaryotic cell is among these. Which of these organelles is only seen in the prokaryotic cells? Mitochondria, ribosome, plastid, lysosomes. Oh, it's an easy question. In the very beginning, you might get a little bit tricked. But if you read the question, you will find the answer. Ramesh, right? But we have shared it on the Telegram. All the best, Nikhil. Very good. The correct answer is ribosomes. So ribosomes are the organelles that are present among these in the prokaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells, we don't have mitochondria. They don't have other organelles, right? They have ribosomes. They have the nucleoid, right? The genetic material. They have the cell wall. And of course, there are other parts also. Very good. Okay. Question number 7, everyone. See, 7 out of 50. Long way to go. Long way to go. Okay. Here we go. Question number 70. I can see that many of you are joining us right now. I'll tell you how to join. Dash coined the term cell. Very easy. If you're new here, if you don't know how to join the class, you have to go on www.menti.com. Newer, open a new tab, write www.menti.com. Then use the code 22975548. Yes? Very good. I know, Lakshya, it's such a hard question, right? 92 of you have voted for the correct answer, and the correct answer is Robert Hooke. So we know that the Robert Hooke coined the term cell. And Robert Hooke in the year 1665 saw the first cell, right? And of course, we know that the rest is as the history we say. So this is important. Very good. Here we go ahead, everyone. So among these, of course, so basically he called that, those small compartments which look like the prisoner cell. So that's why he called them as cell. Awesome. Okay. 8th question, everyone. 8th question. And here we go. Here we go. Growing different crops in the same field in a pre-planned succession is called as what? Crop management, crop rotation, intercropping, or plant breeding. Growing different crops in the same field in a pre-planned way is called as what? Yes, everyone. Easy peasy question, everyone. It's a very, very easy question. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Very easy question. Ramesh, leaderboard to mujhe bhi nahi pata. It will be a surprise for all of us. Let's focus here in the class. Leaderboard aa jayega. Pakke se leaderboard hoga. Don't worry about the leaderboard. Okay. It's the crop rotation. Very good, everyone. So 72 of you have voted for the crop rotation. Now crop rotation क्यों है? Because we are growing different types of crops in a same field in a pre-planned way. Okay, now we have the wheat, right? Next time we'll have the soya bean. Next time if we have, let's say, rice, after that we will have some pea plant. So there is kind of a fixed pre-plant pattern to it. And we call it as a crop rotation. Very good. Okay. Now moving to question number 9, everyone. Yes, N Shukla Shukla. Le liya naam bacche. Yes. Question number 9, everyone, on your screen. Yes, you will be getting more points if you answer fast, the correct answer. The technique used to obtain variety with high yields and other desirable character is called as what? Introduction, selection, hybridization of both A and B. Easy peasy. ऐसी कौन सी टेक्निक है जिससे एक्चुअली हम डिफरेंट वेराइटी, हाई वेराइटी और हाई यील्ड वाले प्लांट्स ले सकते हैं और प्लांट्स या एनिमल्स ले सकते हैं बेसिकली. यस, इट इज अ कंफ्यूजिंग वन. लेट्स सी द आंसर एवरीवन. Obtaining desirable characteristics, right? So it's the correct answer is hybridization, and 77 of you have voted for it. Now in hybridization, what actually we can, that is very important thing which is in our control, is that we can actually pick the character we want in a plant or in an animal, right? That's why we call it as a desirable character. And of course we can have the high yield also. Yes. Very good. So everyone, are we clear with this part? Yes, very good. Very good. Am I? No, we've actually scheduled the session from 5:15. Okay, everyone. 10th question here we have. Array, put your phone on recharge. Okay, everyone. Here we have. Question number 10, everyone. Which one is a micronutrient for the crop plant? So which of this is not required by the plant in a large amount, right? We have calcium, iron, magnesium, right, and potassium. Yes? Very good. Easy peasy. Which one is a micronutrient for the crop plant, which is required in a small quantity? Very good. 51 of you have voted for the correct answer, that is iron. Very good, everyone. So this is clear. I think majority of us are here. Calcium, magnesium and potassium are kind of macronutrient, right? Yes. Iron is not the one. It's a micronutrient. It's required in a small quantity. Okay. Okay, everyone. After this, we don't have the leaderboard now. Leaderboard, एक round जब पूरा होगा उसके बाद में आएगा. Yes. Clear? We will have the leaderboard after one round is over. Okay? Let's see question number 11, everyone. So we have this MCQ round, everyone. जहाँ पे questions are very direct. बहुत ही easy questions हैं, very direct questions हैं. And timing we have for 30 seconds. As we move from one round to another round, we will have different levels. Okay. Question number 11, everyone, on your screen. 3 round हैं. Nodules with nitrogen fixing bacteria present in mustard, wheat, gram and cotton. Acha. So we are looking for a leguminous plant right over here. Root nodules basically with the nitrogen fixing bacteria are present in which plant? Is it mustard, is it wheat, gram or cotton? Yeah, it's an easy question, everyone. Very easy question. And the correct answer is option number C, gram, right? So it is a leguminous plant. In the roots we have the root nodules, and inside those root nodules what we have the bacteria, which is like, of course we have different types. The one that we'll always remember is the rhizobium. Yes. Easy peasy. Okay. Next question, next question, next question. Yes, Aniket K0427. Okay. Arey, bahut badhiya. Everyone, we have so many of you in the class. I hope that all of you have hit the like button for the video. Okay. Application of nitrogenous manure to a plant causes what? Vigorous vegetative growth, early flowering, early fruiting, and growth retardation due to the toxicity of NH3. Easy है, बहुत easy है. Yes. Yes, very good everyone. And the correct answer is vigorous vegetative growth. So अगर nitrogen manure डालेंगे plant में तो what we'll see? We will see the vigorous vegetative growth. बहुत जल्दी plant बढ़ जाएगा. Growth retardation नहीं, वो नहीं होगा. Yes. Menti is running fast. Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay everyone. Welcome everyone. I can see many of you have joined just now. We have 110 of you in the class. I hope that everyone you have hit the like button for the video. Yes. And I welcome you on the 9th and 10th channel of BYJU'S. I am your teacher Ankita. Yes, very good. Chaliye. Question number 13 everyone. Yes, here we go to question number 13. Only one type of tissue forms an organ. सिर्फ एक ही तरीके का टिश्यू ऑर्गन बनाता है. Is it true or is it false? So now we are talking about the tissues. What do you think? Is it true or false? We know that tissues are really very important, right? And we have discussed about the different types of tissues that we have. Yes? Very good, very good. And the correct answer is false, right? 84 of you have voted for the correct answer, which is false. We know that not only one type of cells, not only one type of tissue will form the organ. Different types of tissues will be coming together and then they'll be forming the organs and the organs will be forming the organ system and so more. Yes, very good. Okay. Question number 14 everyone. It was a very hard question. No issues. We will be able to solve this. Okay. Okay. Leaderboard will come only after round 1, right? Okay. Plants can be made disease resistant by. How we can make a plant which is completely disease resistant? Heat treatment, hormone treatment, right? We have the collagen treatment or breeding with their wild relative. अगर हमें एक प्लांट चाहिए, right, जो हमें डिजीज रेजिस्टेंस बनाने के ताकि वो डिजीज से फाइट कर पाए, which of these will be the correct option? Yes, very good. So if we are actually crossing them with the local variety, right, or with their wild relative which are there in the wild, they will be able to get the disease resistance. Okay? Yes, the round 2 will be over after 20 questions. So we are on question number 14. We have 6 more questions to go. Yes. Clear everyone? Okay, can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question? In first round we have 20 questions. So we have to wait. Very good, very good. Here we go everyone to question number 15 and let's see what we have. Here we have question number 15. Which of the following statement is not correct about fertilizers? Okay. It is nutrient specific, it is water soluble, it is readily absorbed by the plant and it is compact and easy to transfer. We're talking about the fertilizer. Which of the following statement is not correct about fertilizer? I'm sure we have studied this and you can go back to your 9th class or if not to the 8th class also. I'm sure you have studied this chapter which was a crop production and management. Yes. Very good everyone. So we know that the fertilizers are soluble in water. We can easily mix them with the water, and of course we can spray on the plants. So this statement is absolutely incorrect about the fertilizers. They are soluble in plants, right? They are very nutrient specific. Then definitely they are readily absorbed by the plants and they are compact and we can easily transfer them. Yes. Yes, very good. So we are clear with this, right? Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, everyone. Okay, question number 16, question number 16, question number 16. Very good, everyone. Okay, sustainable agriculture involves intercropping, mixed cropping, crop rotation, all of the above. I want all of you to vote for this. It's a very easy question, everyone. Right? Sustainable agriculture involves what? Intercropping, mixed cropping, crop rotation, or all of the above. Ramesh, uska bhi, I am sure you will have the PDF. You can check with Kriti ma'am. Nice. 14 out of 14. I can see many of you got the 14 out of 14. The code is 22975548. Very good, everyone. If we have to have the sustainable agriculture, that means that we are using the resources in such a way that we are leaving it for the next generation. We are not wasting any resources. We are planning and going ahead. All of these three techniques, be it the mixed cropping, intercropping and crop rotation, will be helping in the sustainable agriculture. Very good, everyone. Yes, I hope that energy is high. I hope that इससे energy lose तो नहीं हो रही है ना? Yes. Okay. Break चाहिए तो बोलना. After round 1, we'll take a break of 1 minute. Yes. Here we go, everyone, to question number 17. All the best. All the best. Question number 17. Living organisms are used in. Where we are using the living organisms? In options we have organic manure, biofertilizers, natural insecticides or pesticides. There are two words which can confuse you, but I hope that you'll be able to find the answer. Where we'll be using the living organism. So living word has a very strong connection with the answer. हाँ, 10th का Menti Friday को होगा. This Friday we'll be having the 10th class Menti with Aishwarya ma'am. Very good. See, I told you, you might get confused. Organic manure में what we use? We use the waste of the plants and the animal, right? Manure हमें living organisms के बिना भी मिल सकता है. If we add the earthworm, it's an added thing. But biofertilizers over here, living we have, right? So bio means life. Directly when we are using the living organisms, we have the biofertilizer as the answer. See, we have to understand organic manure. It's not living, right? Manure living hai kya? Yes. I know we use earthworm, but it's not compulsory, right? Again, everyone, see, I'm sure you will be having such question in your examination. We have to understand that when we had two such option, we have to look for an option which is very close. I told you the hint was there in the living. Yes? So living is directly connected to the biofertilizers. So we are using the living organisms as a fertilizers. Clear? Everyone, I hope that this is clear. Please make sure you read the question correct. Please make sure you understand the options that are there in front of you. Okay? Very good. So this, again, I think it's a learning for you guys, right? 55 of you have voted for the wrong answer. Now you know what is the correct answer is. Okay. Okay, everyone. Question number 18. Question number 18. The principal cereal crop of India is wheat, rice, maize or the sorghum. Oh, easy. Easy peasy answer, right? Which is the principal crop of India? Vishnu, this chart is not moving. Yes. Yes, Raj, we remember you. Very good, very good. Time's up, everyone. And the correct answer to this question is, there was a fight between wheat and rice. We have the answer with us. Yes. The principal cereal crop. Okay. Very good, everyone. Okay, now let's move ahead. Okay, question number 19. Question number 19. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. Question number 19. Okay. The longest cell in the human body is... The longest cell in the human body is what? Nerve cell, muscle cell, liver cell or kidney cell? Which is the longest cell in the human body? It's very easy. It's a very, very easy question, everyone. Quickly vote. I can see your votes. Very good, everyone. So 98 of you have voted for the correct answer, and nerve cells are the longest cell in the human body. Very good. Yes. Okay. Let's see the question number 20, everyone. I think with this, we will be finishing our first round. That's the last question we have in round 1. Yes, very good. Okay, phloem is formed of dead tubular cells. Is it true or false? Tubular cells. Phloem is formed of dead tubular cells. Is it true or false? Bharat, you can join the Menti by going on www.menti.com. Use the code 22975548. Yes, very good, Anant. Yes. Okay, I can see your answers. And the correct answer is, of course, O. Everyone, why we have this? Right? 56 and 58 of you. Phloem, we know that actually help in the translocation of food. In phloem, we just have one, which is phloem's fiber, which is dead. Right? We have tubular cells. Sieve tubes, right, and companion cells. They are not dead, they are living. Xylem, we have more of dead cell, and we just have one living part, which is the xylem parenchyma. Yes, everyone, I hope that you have noted this point. It's really very important. This shows that you had a confusion for it. So xylem may only one part is living, which is xylem parenchyma, xylem fiber, tracheids, right? And vessels are all dead. In phloem, sieve plate, companion cell, and phloem parenchyma are living. The only dead one over here is xylem fiber. Sorry, phloem fiber. Yes, bright spot. You can join the Menti by going on www.menti.com. Use the code 22975548. So let's see, everyone. Here we have the leaderboard, everyone. After round 1, after 20 questions, we have this round. Clap for us, everyone. Yes, so among this, we have Ansh and Vansh, we have Dimriti, we have Chimmy, we have Sharvya, Tommy, Nimish, we have Devansh, Prachi, Shrishti and Nibha. Very good, everyone. So I hope that you have a track that how many questions went missing and how many you gave the correct answer for. So in the round 1, what we have mostly the MCQs and the true or false question, which were very much straight, right? Very much straightforward. So everyone, I hope that you have a track, and I hope that now you know what to do and what not to do. I hope that you have the clarity of the concepts that we have just discussed. Badhiya. Chali everyone. Can we move ahead? Can we move ahead? Right? Before we move ahead, everyone, please hit the like button. Everyone, please do hit the like button. Let's increase the likes and we'll move ahead with the session. I know you only give me target, ma'am. इतने बच्चे और इतने कम likes. We need the likes, right, everyone? If you haven't hit the like button, जल्दी से जाकर से like करके आओ. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Thank you for sharing your ranks with me. हम ranks पे focus करेंगे, but हम हमेशा ये याद रखेंगे कि we are here for learning. अगर आंसर गलत हुआ तो कोई बात नहीं. Now you know that के सही आंसर क्या है. Clear? Yes. So I can see that many of you are still asking कि मैम कैसे क्विज ज्वाइन करें. So everyone, please go on, open a new tab, type www.menti.com. वहां पे जाके आपको कोड यूज करना है 22975548. ओके. अरे वाह, 6 फोन से लाइक कर दिया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Okay, let me see. Let me have just refreshed my page. Let's see, everyone. I hope that you have hit the like button. Number bade hain, we need more likes. Okay. Now let's move from here to the round 2. So I want all of you to stay focused. Round 1 is done. After every round, we will have the leaderboard. So out of 50 questions, how many questions are done? 20. 30 are remaining. Yes. So let's get ready for it, everyone. Here we go to the round 2, but before that, what we have? We have this information that all of you should follow, which is the webinar which is happening on this Sunday with Aishwarya Ma'am and with Saurav Sir. So please make sure you register for it, right? It's on Sunday, 4th of December. Timing kya hai? It's 12:30 PM दोपहर के time पे आराम से. So please make sure you register. Link इसका description में दिया हुआ है. You have to click it and just fill your details and you're sorted. There's no fees for it, so don't worry about it. And you'll be learning that how you can learn the science with the help of the, when you experience it with the help of some experiments and other amazing things. Yes. It's okay, bright spot, but you will still be, right? You will still be, participating in this. Yes, very good. Bharat, the class is already done. Minerals Energy Resources class ho gayi. At 4 PM we had it today. Watch it. Okay. Everyone, are you ready for round 2? Round 2. In round 2, of course, the question will be a little bit more trickier. थोड़े से direct नहीं होंगे. थोड़ा सा twisted रहेंगे questions. ज़्यादा difficult questions नहीं होंगे. Medium level के questions रहेंगे और इसमें बहुत variety मिलेगी. So let's see, everyone. Question number 21. Okay, back on track, and here we have question number 21. Yes, in plant cell wall is. Plant cell में cell wall क्या होती है? Dynamic and living होती है, rigid या non living होती है, dynamic and non living है, rigid and living है. Cell wall. Easy, very easy. We're talking about the cell wall, everyone. In plant cell wall is what? Everyone quickly vote so we can actually move ahead. And the correct answer is rigid and non-living. So we know that in plant cells, cell wall is the outermost membrane. It is very rigid, it's non-living, right? And it is freely permeable. Right? It actually provides the barrier. Very good. So the correct answer is rigid and non-living. Let's move to the next question now. 50-50 lifeline. हाँ, B और D में confuse हो गए. Okay. Question number 22, everyone. Here we go. Rough endoplasmic contain. Are easy hai. I know that you know the answer. Detoxification center, carbohydrate synthesizing machinery, ribosomes or lysosomes. Rough ER contains what? Yes. Easy question. This is a very easy question. Right? Rough endoplasmic, we know that it's really very important, right? It is the ER, and it has rough ER has something, and it helps in something really very important, which is very, very crucial for our body functioning. I am just this close of leaking the answer. I'm just controlling my words. Yes, and the correct answer to this question is ribosomes. Very good. 93 of you have voted for it, everyone. So, rough endoplasmic reticulum got its name rough because ribosomes are present on it. That's why we have rough endoplasmic reticulum. And over here only we see the protein synthesis. Okay? Very good. So, Mihir, we have 20 questions in this round. Okay. Here we go, everyone. Let's see the next question. Question number 23. Here we have question number 23. Let's see what we have over here. Identify the common features of mitochondria and plastid. So what are the common features between the mitochondria and the plastid? Ability to produce ATP, presence of DNA and ribosomes, presence of matrix called stroma, or deeply folded inner membrane. Yes, yes, yes. Right, everyone, quickly. I wish I was also playing. What is the common feature between the mitochondria and plastid? Very good. And the correct answer to this particular question is they both have the DNA and their own ribosomes. Yes, they have the DNA and the ribosomes, and that's a common feature between the mitochondria and we have the plastid. Very good. Right, so they're very, very special in that way. They can make their own protein. Yes, mitochondria, of course, helps in the production of the ATP, adenosine triphosphate, whereas the plastids are the one that actually are called as the kitchen of the cell, right? Especially the chloroplast. They have the kitchen of the cell is chloroplast, because the chloroplast help in the photosynthesis process because it has chlorophyll. Yes, very good. Okay, I think, Anant, we have finished off the SST syllabus. If this chapter is not there, right? So it's not there in the CBSE syllabus. So that's why we haven't mentioned it. Okay. So we have covered that. Okay, everyone. Next question on your screen. If a tip of a sugarcane plant is removed from the field, even then it keeps on growing in length. This is due to the presence of what? Cambium, apical meristem, lateral meristem, or the intercalary meristem. See, I don't want to give you a big hint, but the last time we had a question, we had a similar question regarding bamboo. Yes, we had a similar question regarding bamboo, but the answer was same. So we're talking about a sugar cane, right? We're talking about the sugar cane. Yes. Joseph, you will be able to know the rank, bache, with the once you have your marks, and on the leaderboard, once we will have the leaderboard, you will be able to see your rank. Nice, very good, everyone. See, I was actually kind of sure that majority of you might vote for the apical. Why apical? Because we think that it is one which is present at the tip. But if you look in the case of sugar cane, right? If you look at the structure of the sugar cane, you know that it has nodes, right? And the internodes. So if you talk about that, the intercalary meristem is the one who is responsible for the growth. Okay? We have the same case in the bamboo also. So those of you who have voted for this, I hope that you have the clarity now. Okay? Very good. Moving to the next question, everyone. Here we have next question. Question number 25. Here we go. Here we go, everyone. Here we go. Name the tissue which detects changes inside and outside the body and respond by action potential. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Easy peasy, right? Yes? Yes, everyone. Come on, come on, come on. We have good amount of time. Yes. Very easy. We have to just name the tissue, right? Which detects the changes inside and outside the body by the potential, by the action potential. It has to do something with the connection, moving, and absolutely correct, everyone. The correct answer over here is the nervous tissue. So nervous tissue is the one, of course, we have the neurons, and they are the one that actually basically works on the chemical coordination, right? We always see that there's electrical impulse which are moving, and of course when they release, there's a little bit of chemicals goes here, and of course we get the signal. So basically it's a combination of the electrical impulse and of course the chemical coordination that we have. Of course the correct answer over here is the nervous tissue that actually gives us a sense of the surrounding, right, and what is happening. Take the signal, respond time. Very good. Yes. Very good, everyone. So this was a very easy question. Okay, question number 26, everyone. On your screen is response to the stimulus. Very good, absolutely correct. Okay, which of the following have been artificially selected? So we have cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, or all of these. Which of the following have been artificially selected? Yes, very good, everyone. Which of the following have been artificially selected? Come on, everyone. It's an easy peasy question. Yes, 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 yes. And the correct answer is, what is the correct answer? So we have the different variations of it, right? We have cabbage, we have cauliflower and broccoli. All of this were kind of in the same family. And 63 of you have voted for the correct answer. All of these are artificially selected. Very good. It's a very easy answer. See, the biggest hint over here was to see that all of these three are kind of in the same. We always say, they're in the same family. Okay. Got right. Very good. Okay, everyone. Let's see question number 27. Oh, it's a long session, everyone. I hope that you are not in any hurry because I am not. We have 50 questions to go with us. Okay. Name the epithelium which consists of 2 or more than 2 layers of cell that protects the core tissue. So we have to name the epithelium which consists of a 2 or more layer of cells that protects the core tissue. So we have pseudo-citrated columnar epithelium, we have simple columnar epithelium, striated epithelium, or simple cuboidal epithelium. It's also a very easy answer. Bharat, you are spamming a lot. Yes, you are spamming a lot. Please don't spam. We will let you know. Okay. So the correct answer we have is the 71 of you have voted for the correct answer. Striated epithelium, right? It has different layers. Okay, it has different layers. Bharat, please, please, please don't spam. Can we take care of this, right? Please. Don't spam, Bharat. And as I mentioned, you can check on the community post. We will be coming up with the sessions, okay? As of now, for the class 10th, we have finished all the sessions. That is taken care of. You can revise. Next week, we will have something for class 10. This week, we don't have anything. Okay? So please don't spam. The other kids are getting disturbed. Okay. Here we go, everyone. Question number 28. And here we go. Yes. Branched muscle fibers interconnected by oblique bridges are. Muscle fiber, we have a biggest hint over here, okay? Unstriated muscle fibers, striatal muscle fibers, cardiac muscles, or the skeletal muscles. Okay. Think about it, everyone. Branched muscle fiber. The hint is there in the question itself. What is branched? Right? Yes. Branched muscle fiber interconnected by these oblique bridges are which one? Very good. And the correct answer is cardiac muscle, right? They are branched. Because they have like small kind of bridges like in the structure. Yes, and they are present only in the heart and they work 24/7 and they never get fatigue. Awesome. Doing good, everyone. Doing really very good. Okay, question number 29, everyone. Question number 29 on your screen. Which of the following muscles can be termed as involuntary? Smooth, striated, cardiac, or skeletal? So now this will take your time. Please just go through it. You have to look for the combinations, right? You have to look for the combinations. Yes. Which of these muscles can be called as involuntary? We know that involuntary are a type of muscles that are do and do, right? I'll not say much. Very good. The smooth muscles and the cardiac muscles are the involuntary muscles, which means that they are not in our control, right? You and I cannot control the activity of these muscles. Whereas the skeletal and the striated muscles are voluntary muscles that are present in our arms, leg, and we can easily control them. Cardiac muscles are there in the heart, and of course the smooth muscles are the involuntary muscles that we have in different parts of our body, right? Like in organs, right? In the intestine, smooth muscles. Very good, everyone. Okay. 59 of you have voted for it. Okay, question number 30, everyone, on your screen. Let's see. I clicked wrong. I know it's okay, Tanishq. It's okay. No issues. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of the parenchyma? इसमें से क्या parenchyma का characteristics नहीं है? Cells are thin-walled. Cells are thick corners. A large single-cell vacuole is present in each cell. Or large cells are placed together with intercellular space. इसमें से क्या actually parenchyma का characteristic features नहीं है? Parenchyma we know is a very special type of tissue which is permanent tissue. So I can give you that hint, right? It is a simple permanent tissue. Yes, इसमें से in following में से what is not the characteristic of parenchyma? Yes, that's option number 2 is correct. Right, 60 of you have voted for the correct answer. Everyone, the cells which have the thick corners are of collenchyma, right? Everyone gives a thumbs up if you're clear with this question. I can see that there was a bit confusion over here. See, parenchyma are living cells, right? They have very thin cell wall, right? They have a very thin cell wall. And they have lots and lots of intercellular space. That's a very important characteristic features of them. Collenchyma mein, the cell will have the thick corners, okay? And they provide the flexibility. So 60 of you have voted for the correct answer. Very, very good. I was like, very. Yes, slip tongue. Good. Okay. Okay, everyone. So we still have 10 more questions in round 2. So we are having round 2, जहाँ पे timings बढ़ गई हैं. Question थोड़े से difficult हो गए हैं, right? We have 10 more questions now in round 2. उसके बाद में last round में we'll have 10 questions. I know that happens. कोटेश्वर, ये होता है कि हम लोग इनकरेक्ट, करेक्ट, ये नॉट, इन सब में बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं हम एक्चुअली में. Even it happens not just with you, it happens with me also. If I'm reading a question, I might have something in my mind कि हाँ ये तो मुझे पता है. So that's how the question will be confusing you. So very, very important thing, we have to read the question very carefully. Yes. Richa, you can refresh your page. Right, question will be able to see. Okay. All the best everyone. We have 10 more questions in round 2. I hope that energy is high. Leaderboard इसके बाद आएगा. After question number 40, we'll have the leaderboard. Which of the following statement is true about chromosome? अब इसमें से कौन सा statement true है about chromosome? Chromosomes are present within the nucleus. It contains genes and helps in the inheritance or transfer of the characteristic from the parent to the next generation. It is made up of DNA in a form of chromatin, material and proteins. Or all of the above. Okay, I'll not say yes. Which of the following statement is true about chromosome? I know jaldi mein kar diya Prakhar. I hope that you have picked the correct answer. All of the above is a correct answer. So chromosomes, of course, are present inside the nucleus, definitely. They are the one that contain the genetic information which move from one generation to the next generation. And thirdly, right, it is made up of DNA in a form of chromatin which have the proteins also. Yes? So we have the all of the above. 77 of you have voted for the correct answer. Awesome, right? Badhiya cheez hai ye to. Everyone super proud of you. Yes. It's okay, Aditya, but I hope that now you know the correct answer. Question number 32, everyone. It's a long session. I hope that you're not losing the Josh. Here we have. Consider the following statement and choose the incorrect one. Jaldi se everyone, right? Which of the following statement is incorrect one? Stroma are stack of membrane, bounded, flattened, coiled sacs containing molecules of chlorophyll. Granum is a site of light reaction during photosynthesis, while stroma former is a dark reaction. Chromoplast imparts various color to flowers to attract insect for pollination, and leucoplast stores store food in the carbohydrates, protein, starch, and fats. You have to pick one which of the statement is incorrect. See, you know the correct answers already, right? Very good. See, what we have is definitely that granum will have the light reaction, and in the stroma will have the dark reaction which is there in the chloroplast. Chromoplast gives a beautiful color, and apart from that it actually attracts the insect for the pollination. Leucoplast stored the food in a form of protein, carbohydrate, starch, oil. That is correct. The statement 1, 22 of you have voted for the correct answer, which is stroma are stacks, right? These are grana, right? Grana. So we have the thylakoids, right? Thylakoids are stacked onto each other and they form the structure which is called as the grana. Are we clear, everyone? Yes? In the thylakoids, what we have? The chlorophyll. Got it, everyone? I hope that this is clear. You give me a thumbs up and then we'll move ahead. It's a very, very, I not say difficult question, but yeah, a tricked question. Yes. Okay? So now we are clear about this structure and now we are clear about this. Chaliye. Let's move ahead. Here we go. To question number 33. Let's see, everyone. Here we have question number 33 out of 50. Yes. Which of the following statement marks as a difference between plant cells and animal cell? Yes. Plant cells have cells wall which animal cells don't. Plant cells do not have vacuole while animal cells do have. Plant cells contain cell membrane while animal cells have both cell wall as well as cell membrane. And cell wall have more plastids while animal cells have few plastids. You have to pick one particular statement which gives us a clear-cut difference between a plant cell and an animal cell. Yes. I can say there was a one question ki repeat kar do usko. So we are talking, in the previous question we were talking about the structure of the chloroplast. Okay. So the thylakoids are there which are stacked onto each other. And inside the thylakoids we have the chlorophyll pigment. So that statement was incorrect. In the statement it is written as stroma. Sorry, stroma is stacked, which is absolutely incorrect. Okay, 84 of you have voted for the option A, which is absolutely correct. We know that plant cells have the cell wall, where animal cells don't have the cell wall. Plant cells have big vacuole, where animal cells have small, and the number of vacuoles are more in animal cells, right? Animal cells lack plastid. Animal cells में plastid होता ही नहीं है. Animal cells में plastid होगा तो खाना बना लेंगे अपना खुद का, पर वो तो होता ही नहीं है. So we will see that in plant cells only they have plastids so that they can make their own food. Easy. 84 of you have voted for it, so I assume that ये question आपके लिए easy था. Yes. Now let's see everyone. Question number 34. Jaldi say all of you. Let's see this question. The last 5 question will have the rapid fire. थोड़ा जल्दी करेंगे. Okay everyone, this is easy. This is from the, I think, very similar to the last, in the last session we had a question. These two, right, Cyprinus and the Parathenium, are the types of what? Weeds, diseases, pesticides or pathogens? Kartavya, you are asking the rainfall pattern depends on what? So rainfall pattern depends on certain factors, right? It has lots to do with the wind, lots to do with the atmospheric pressure, lots to do with the temperature, right? So these are the 3 main factors that I can think of now. So yes, directly from NCERT, yes. Here we have the correct answer is they are the weeds. So these are the types of weeds, right? And we know that weeds are the ones that are undesirable plants which are growing alongside the main crop. They will take the water, they'll take the nutrient, and they'll take the sunlight, and they will give the competition to the main plant, right? That's why we call them as undesirable plants. 70 of you have voted for the correct answer. Awesome everyone. 35 question everyone on your screen. Here we go. 35 question. Here we have, you must have observed that a fruit when unripe is green but it becomes colored when ripe. What is the reason behind this change? Easy peasy question. Yes. We don't have Menti daily बच्चे, but this week we have Menti. Okay? It's an easy question everyone. Distance from the sea also affect the rain pattern. Absolutely correct. So we have a fruit which is unripe. एक fruit है जो unripe है वो green color का है. जैसे भी we'll see कि fruit की ripening हो रही है वो अलग color का हो जाएगा. Yes, very good. Surinder, I think you are new to this. I hope that you have subscribed to the channel. You can actually go in the community and you can see the timetable. Bacha. You'll be able to find out. 69 of you have voted for the correct answer, which is absolutely correct. पहले जब green color का था तो what we have the chloroplast. And as it becomes unripening, we'll see the color change happening, right? Maybe to red, to yellow or some any other color. We know that now what we have the chromoplast. Clear? Yes everyone, are we clear? We have the chloroplast and the chromoplast. Easy peasy? Miss Clay, no issues. इतने मोटे मोटे आंसू, इतने दिल से. Don't be sad, it's okay, you know the correct answer. नहीं बच्चे, B and C are not same Asha. It's chromosome. The word if you see is chloroplast to chromosome. So it's not same. Very good. Okay, here we go. The next question everyone, 36th question. Priya is writing some statement. Choose the correct option that helps her out. Lysosome act as an extracellular digestive system. Lysosomes are also called as suicide bags of the cell. Lysosomes are known as a site of protein synthesis. Lysosomes provide the turgidity and the stability. So I think you have to find out the incorrect statement. Or the correct statement. Sorry, the correct statement. Sorry, you have to find the correct statement. The question is correct. Yes, we have to find out, right, कि इनमें से कौन सा statement correct है. Very good, very good. And the correct answer is, of course, lysosomes are called as the suicide bags of the cell. Very good, everyone. So 84 of you have voted for the correct answer. Yes. And of course, we know that they are the suicidal bags of the cell. Rest, all the three statements are wrong. So we have helped Priya, right? Priya को सही answer बता दिया है. Okay. Moving to the next question, everyone. We have question number 37 with us, and here let's see. बहुत बढ़िया if you're correct. Okay. Weeds are unwanted plants that grows along with the cultivated plants. How do they affect the crop plant? Just now I've explained this. Abhay, so we are talking about, the last question was about the lysosomes, right? So lysosomes are called as the suicide bags of the cell. They actually help in clearing out the waste material. If the cell is not working properly, they will kill the cell. They will release the enzymes that they have and the cell will die. Okay, that's why we call it as the suicidal bags of the cell. Yes. So we have just spoken about the weeds, so I want all of you to vote for this, right? Everyone, we should have the correct answer. Abhi, just now we have discussed, I think 3-4 questions back. Very good, Asha. Yes, they have the hydrolytic enzymes. All of the above kaise ho gaya? The correct answer over here is that they will be competing for the resources like crop, causing the nutrient depletion for the plants, right? By killing plants in the field, नहीं वो कैसे kill करेंगे? They don't have a sword, right? थोड़ी ना बंदूक है उनके पास में या फिर तलवार है कि हाँ जो हम plants को मार देंगे. By dominating the plants to grow, नहीं ना? Yes. So option number C is correct. 35 of you have voted for the correct answer. 53 of you actually got confused with it. See, when we talk about a weed, right? A plant which is an unwanted plant. So it will compete, right? For the resources, nutrient resources. Water also provides the nutrient, right? Sunlight is also there, which actually helps in the process of photosynthesis. Right? Of course, the nutrients which are adding into the soil are important. Clear? Very good. Yes, बंदूक. They don't have any weapons, right? Guns नहीं उनके पास में. तलवार नहीं है कि हाँ चलो हम plant को चलो, you know, we will disturb the plant and we will kill the plant. ऐसा ना थोड़ी ना कर रहे हैं. Yes. Okay, everyone. Come on. You know the correct answer. Read the question properly, everyone. I know you know the answer. Here, everyone, 38 question. Question number 38. Select the incorrect statement. इसे अच्छे से पढ़ना. Read the statement properly. Blood has a matrix containing protein, salt and hormone. Two bones are connected with ligaments. Tendons are non-fibrous tissue and fragile in nature. Cartilage is a form of connective tissue. Everyone, quickly answer this correct question. Yes. Very good. We have to select the incorrect statement. Easy, everyone. It's really very easy. If you read the statement, you will find the answer. We're talking about the tissues, specifically mentioned on the connective tissue we have. And the correct answer is that this statement is absolutely incorrect. Tendons are not the non-fibrous tissue and they are fragile in nature. Achha, you tell me, tendons connect what? What to what? See, we have ligament and tendon. Yes? Tell me. Tendons are the one that connects bone to bone or muscle to bone. Got it wrong? It's okay, now you know the right answer, right? They are fibrous. Very good. muscle to bone, very good. TMB, TMB. Absolutely correct. Okay. So we know that in blood matrix, the blood matrix mein blood mein of course we have four important components: plasma, RBCs, WBCs and platelets. In matrix of course in the plasma what we have the salt, we have the proteins, we have the hormones. Two bones are joined by the ligament. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Then cartilage is a form of connective tissue. Yes, it is. So the only statement which was wrong is this, tendon. Very good. Okay. Everyone, let's move to the next question, question number 39. After this, we have question number 40. उसके बाद में आएगा leaderboard. Which of these are the function of ribosomes? Manufacture of proteins, manufacture of enzymes, manufacture of hormones. So we have to find the answer. We're talking about what are the function of ribosomes. Now this could be a little confusing. See, ribosomes क्या बनाते हैं? And what we have from that? I hope I have not given you the answer. Yes, I hope that I have not leaked the answer. Yes, on 6th and 8th channel they call me, I think they call me, Aishwarya, Saurabh, all of us like we are the leakosaurus. We leak the answer, right? Yes, everyone, and the correct answer, very good, is A, manufacture of proteins, and B, manufacture of enzymes. Very good, everyone. So we know that proteins will be making the enzymes. So if ribosomes are making proteins, so we know that proteins will be helping in the synthesis of or manufacturing of enzymes. Hormones कुछ proteins के होते हैं, कुछ proteins के नहीं है. Proteins में very rarely, okay? So we'll not be focusing on the manufacture of hormones. Clear? So 54 of you have voted for the correct answer, and very good, everyone. Okay. Question number 40, everyone. इसके बाद में है we have the leaderboard. It's okay if it's a misclick, but now you know the answer. To solve the food problem of the country, which among the following is necessary? Increase production and storage of food grains, easy access of people to have the food grains. People should have money to purchase of grains or all of the above. अगर कंट्री में फूड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है तो उसके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप क्या है? Which one is the most important step? Yes. Very good, everyone. Yes, and time's up, everyone, and the correct answer is what? All of the above. So of course food problems of course we have to increase production तो करना ही है. Easy access होना चाहिए ताकि people can go out and buy. Everyone should have at least some amount of money so that they can purchase the grains. So all of these. Picture based में नहीं, we don't have a picture based here. Yes. Okay, everyone, now we'll have the leaderboard. Here we have the leaderboard question. Not leaderboard question, but we have the leaderboard. So fastest again we have Ansh and Vansh. Then we have Dimitri. We have Sharvaya, Prachi, Chimi. We have Nimish, Devan, Shrishti, Tom and Nakshatra. So kuch changes we have, right? There's small changes. So good, everyone. So I hope that now all of you will have your rank with you. I think when you have this leaderboard, I'm sure you will be able to see your ranks. Yes? Good. Yes, very good, very good. So everyone, are you ready for the last round? Are you ready for the last round, everyone? If you want to take a break of 30 seconds, jaldi se 30 seconds ka break lo. Yes, quickly take a little break, chota sa tiny, cute little break and come back. I hope that every one of you have hit the like button for the video. और जो लोग नए आ रहे हैं, I'm sure that you are subscribing to our channel. Please do that. Yes. Okay. So we'll be starting with the round 3. Before that, let me quickly talk to you about the English spoken course that we have, right? This is a very interesting course where we have the Cambridge certified teachers that will be helping you to build up your English, especially in the communication part of it. So if you want to try these classes out, please do check these classes out. It's a paid course. We have the link in the description box. Click on that and you'll be able to move ahead with that. Yes. Very good, everyone. So, yes, I think it says something happened. Can I reload the page? So let me just reload the page, everyone. Yep, now it is sorted. Full screen. Okay, everyone. Last final round, everyone. Everyone, all of you who are talking now, just focus here in the class now. Very good, Creation. Welcome to the class. Yes, very good. Okay, everyone. Last round, we have 10 questions. Okay, here we go, everyone. Yes. कर्तव्य, we have already answered this question. बहुत सारे factors हैं. Temperature है, right? Atmospheric pressure है. Then of course we have the wind. Definitely they control the wind pattern. How far is from the sea? That is also plays a very, very important role in that. Yes, very good. Okay. Last round, everyone. We'll have 1 minute time over here. Okay. In a test, a teacher collected the answers written by 4 students as the identification of definition of osmosis. As given below, you have to select the correct answer. ठीक है, I'm sure इसमें बहुत छोटा tiny दिख रहा है. You will be able to have a clear-cut definition. Right? Yes. So, we have to find the correct definition of osmosis. Very easy process. We have studied about it, right? Read the question carefully, everyone. Don't answer in hurry-burry. Yes, because these are definitions and they're very lengthy. So, read it properly so that you know which one is correct. Little bit silence, and I know that there are few words which are you writing in the chat box which are absolutely correct, which makes sense, right? The correct answer for the definition of osmosis is that it is nothing but the transfer of the water molecules from the higher concentration to the lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Very good. We have to mention the semi-permeable membrane, and we have to mention about the water also, if you can do that. So 69 of you have voted for the correct answer. Very good, everyone. Let's see question number 42. We are very close to the end, right? Yes. Okay. So we have accession and the reason question over here. Yes. Hybridization is defined as crossing of genetically dissimilar plants. The reason for that is that farmer needs to protect harvested crops from loss. So here we have to pick the correct answer whether both the statements are correct or whether the R is the correct explanation for A. Whether both the statements are wrong explanation. Then we have R, A is false and R is true, A is true and R is false. Yes, very good, everyone. Read the options carefully. Think about it. We're talking about the hybridization. Yes, we're talking about the hybridization is defined as a crossing of genetically dissimilar plants. दिख रहा है? Wait just a minute. I will join the Mentimeter now. Very good. So 54 of you have voted for the correct answer. Yes, and the correct answer is that both the statements are true, but R is not the correct explanation. We need the hybridization, and in hybridization we have the genetically dissimilar plants, but definitely the reason which are stated is now not correct for A. ये statement सही है कि farmers needs to protect the harvested crop from loss. Very good, everyone. So the code is 22975548. Everyone, I have just joined the quiz. Okay, very good. So we are clear with this. So let's move ahead and let's see question number 43. Yes, it's not the correct explanation for the reason. Right. Here we have question number 43, everyone, and here we go. Question number 43 is, to prepare a temporary stained mount of onion peel, a student must take the materials from the green leaf of spring onions, thin layer of fleshy leaf base onion, dry scales leaf of onion, or crushed pulp of onion. Easy hai. Yes. So if you are mounting, right, if you are doing the mounting of the onion peel, what you'll be needing? Yes, right. If we can rewrite it, we can write like that. Gulshan, the Menti code is 22975548. So think about it, everyone. I know majority of you have voted, and I can see still many of you are voting, everyone. Yes, come on. Few more questions, everyone. Few more questions. Yes. So for this particular experiment, what we do, we actually take a very thin layer, right, on the onion, right? There will be a very thin layer. We'll be taking that particular part, and then of course we'll be staining, and we'll be using that part. So 69 of you have voted for the correct answer. Very good. Now let's move ahead to question number 44. Here we have question number 44, everyone, on the screen. And let's see. Given below is a diagram, right? We can see the diagram. For a connective tissue, choose the correct labeling A, B, C, and D, and E. Okay. So A is what, B is what, right? You know this, it's a little bit not confusing though. Yes, it took me a while to figure out the answer. I'm sure you did. So basically we have this diagram, right, and we have to pick what is the correct labeling, A, B, C, or D. If you can actually figure out A and E, you will be able to find the answer. Right, or maybe A or B. If you can get A or B correct, jaldi if you have, if you have voted for, if you have seen the A and B option, amongst these options, you will be able to find the correct answer. Awesome, everyone, and time's up in, it's done. And the correct answer is the last option. First, of course, the A part was dendron, then we have the cell body, then we have axon, nodes of Frenville, and the nerve ending. But Hema, on the Menti bacha, I can see it was audible, it was clearly visible. So on top of it, we have the diagram, and below it, we have the options. That's why we have tested it out also, and now also I am looking over here because it's clearly visible. Yeah, you might have to move up and down, you have to scroll a little bit, but it's perfectly visible. Okay, so we have the correct answer, everyone, and let's move ahead to the 45 question. We're very close, right, to the end. Let's see, everyone, the correct question, the next question over here is, accession and reason we have, rhizobium fix atmospheric oxygen and increase soil fertility. Our kharif crops are grown in June. Easy peasy. Right, we know that, yes, there could be only one option which is making sense. When you read the first option, you will be able to find the answer. Meenakshi, axons are the long arm, right, which are present in the nervous tissue, right, or the neuron. They are part of a neuron. It's a long arm which actually carries the nerve, basically the electrical impulse, right, from the cell body to the nerve ending. Yes. Rhizobium helps in fixing the atmospheric oxygen and increasing soil fertility. And the reason for that is that kharif crops are grown in June. What do you think? What do you think could be the correct answer for it? It's a very easy question, right? Yes, everyone. See, can we read the question again? The A statement is false. Everyone, I know that you got confused. See the first statement itself, when you read it, you have the clarity that first A statement is false. So you know that only D option will make sense. Because we know that rhizobium, right, helps in nitrogen fixing, not oxygen fixing. See? No, Divyanshi, the correct answer is the option. The statement A is false because it's talking about oxygen fixing, which we know it's not. It's the nitrogen fixing, right? So this statement is still correct that kharif crops are grown in June. But the statement A is absolutely false. This tells us, everyone, that we have to read the question carefully. Okay? 30 of you have voted for it. So it seems that it's a very difficult question. But we are clear over here. Okay, question number 46, everyone. And here we go, question number 46. If you could shrink and stand in a cell, everything would be silent and still. State true or false. So basically it's kind of a riddle kind of thing, right? If you could shrink and stand in a cell, everything would be silent and still. State true or false. Yes, it is something very interesting, right? Very good, everyone. Yes. Everything would be certainly, basically everything would be silent and still. So what are we talking about? Very good, right? So of course, even if this everything is happening, it cannot be silent and still, right? We're talking about the cytoplasm. See, cytoplasm shrinks, right? Of course, along with the, like when we talk about the plasma membrane, right, in the plant cell, it shrinks. And it stands also sometime in animal cells, right? Everything would be silent and still? No, right? It keeps on moving. Cytoplasm, it keeps on moving. We have lots of cellular activity which are happening, right? So that statement is false. It was a trickier one and you got the answer. Very good, everyone. Okay, question number 47. Are you ready? Question 47. Are you ready for it? Again, a session on a reason question. Different type of crops require different photo period. Photo period means duration of sunlight. Now, this is interesting. Yes, this is very, very interesting. Different types of crops require different photo period. Okay. And photo period requires, photo period means that the duration of sunlight. Yes. Which statement, what do you think will be the correct answer for this? Different types of crops require different photo period. And photo period means duration of sunlight. So photo word will be helping us to understand that what photo period is. Right? If we have that, we'll be able to find the answer. Very good, Joseph. I can see so many of you are writing the answers. Very good, very good. Here we have everyone. Okay. See, so the correct answer over here is that both the statements are correct, right? Different types of crops require different photo period. क्यों चाहिए different photo period? For them to grow, right? Because each and every plant have their different nutrition, basically sunlight needs. Of every plant, for example, I'm sure you have seen के We have indoor plants and outdoor plants. Now every plant has the different sunlight need. So the reason for this, right, is not the correct explanation. The reason is not correct for A. Are we clear, everyone? Both the statements are correct, but this is not helping. We have to state a reason ke why different plants have different photo period. Clear? Thank you, Harry, so much. Plus, please don't spam, bache. Thank you so much. Yes. Good. Okay. So, 28 of you have voted for the correct answer. Good. Here we go. To question number 49. If the temperature of hot spring gets reduced, change in which component of the thermophilic archaebacteria allows survival of few of them? अगर टेम्परेचर चेंज हो रहा है हॉट स्प्रिंग का जहां पे हमारे आर्कियोबैक्टीरिया हैं, what will allow them to survive actually? In options we have cell wall, cytoplasm, DNA or ribosomes. It's very easy. We are talking about the bacteria, and this question has direct connection with one very, very important part of a cell. Yes? Okay, I forgot to vote, everyone. Let me quickly vote. Yeah, the options are clearly visible. Yes. And we have time, everyone. And the correct answer to this question is what? It should be option number A. Very good, cell wall. See, when we talk about the cell wall, right, we know that it is rigid and it is non-living. So it will be acting as a protector, right? It will act as a barrier. So even though the temperature, in the hot spring is getting reduced, the thermophils which are living in a very extreme temperature, they will be able to survive because they have the cell wall with them. Okay? Okay, everyone. So, I think we are here on second last question. Question number 49. Right, let's quickly move here. Okay, take your time, everyone. We have to match the following. Just pick the 2, 1 and you'll be able to find the answer. We have different types of tissues and their function. Parenchyma. So we know that what will the function of parenchyma? Think about it. A. Okay. If you read it right, you'll be able to find the answer. Collenchyma. Yes. Okay, I got the answer, everyone. I think you will also get. See, we have parenchyma tissue, we have collenchyma, sclerenchyma, xylem and phloem. So the easiest way to find the 2 answers. Look for the answer for the parenchyma or collenchyma, or you can look for xylem and phloem. Whichever is easy for you. If you have the xylem and phloem answer, you will be able to find the answer. Phloem, what it does. Yes, and xylem, what it does. Very good, and the correct answer is option number C. Absolutely correct. So parenchyma helps in the food storage. Collenchyma helps in providing the flexibility, firmness. Then we have sclerenchyma, of course it's dead, so it provides the stiffness, right? We have xylem, which help in the water conduction, and phloem, which actually help in the food transportation. So 53 of you have voted for it. Everyone, are you ready for the last question? Everyone, are you ready for the 50th question? Yes? Very good, everyone. So here we have the last question, and after this we'll have the leaderboard. Yes, and here we have the last question. So let's see the last question, everyone. We have accession and the reason. Differentiation is a process in which cells attain specific structure and function. Reason for that is differentiation occurs in meristematic tissues in plants. So we have to find out whether both the statements are correct or incorrect, whether one is correct, one is incorrect, whether the R is the right explanation for A. Differentiation is a process in which cells attain specific structure and function. The reason for that is that Differentiation occurs in meristematic tissues in plants. Yes, come on everyone. Last 15 seconds everyone. All of you, I'm super proud of you. All of you did such an amazing job. Right? You stayed with us throughout and we practiced the question. Of course, you gave the correct answer. Yes, very good everyone. And the correct answer is option number B. Both the statements are correct, but it's not the right explanation. Right? Differentiation occurs in meristematic tissues in plants is not the correct explanation for the statement that we have over here. Differentiation is a process which actually helps cells to attain specific structure and function. How? Because they become the permanent tissue and from there they have their specific functions. This is not the correct explanation. So everyone, with this, we are done with our session and here we have the leaderboard everyone. We should take a picture of it, right? Let's take a picture of this everyone and here we have the picture of it and here we have. Very good, very good. Okay, let's take this picture also. So we have Ansh and Vansh. Very good. Then we have Dimriti, Prachi, Devansh, Sarvaya, Chimi. We have Nimish, Shrishti, Nakshast and Tom. Very good everyone. Please do write in the comment section and tell me how many marks you got. What was the total marks you had? So we have 45,995 points. Interesting. So many marks we have. Congratulations to each one of you. I know all of you did super amazing. Right? And do tell me, session enjoy kara? I'm sure you've enjoyed the session. Yes. Very good everyone. Thank you for sharing your positions and your marks with me. The only intent of these quizzes is to make sure that we quickly revise the concept and we know that what we know and what we don't know so that we can work harder. Right? Yes. Thank you everyone. Yes. बढ़िया है. Session में आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. Each one of you. Super proud of you as a teacher. Good. So everyone, if you have enjoyed the session, please make sure to hit the like button for the video. And if you're new here, please do take a moment and subscribe. अब ये session अपने friends के साथ में share करना because see, I know that we are talking and they might not able to participate. But उन्हें questions मिलेंगे है ना, they can actually see the questions and for them also it will be a revision. You can actually sit with them and you can ask them कि अच्छा बताओ इस question का answer क्या है. You can give them the timer also. Okay, so do try it with your friends. Thank you so much everyone, and as we all say, we have got you covered and we have created this playlist for you. Please make sure you go out and check it out, right? बहुत ही अच्छे से playlist बनाई है ताकि आपको कोई परेशानी ना हो. Every chapter, right? Every subject have their own playlist. You can find the details. Yes. Over here we have the Menti ka schedule. So बच्चे पूछ रहे थे ma'am what we have tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday, right? So from 5 to 7 we have for class 9 and from 7 to 9 we have for class 10th. Right? 5 to 7 class 9 and for class 10th we have from 7 to 9. So please make sure you attend. Okay. Yes everyone, with this we'll say bye-bye. Everyone, I hope that you have hit the like button for the video. I hope that you have subscribed to the channel also and please make sure to share with your friends. With that everyone, I'll say bye-bye. Do take care of yourself. Lots of love to each one of you. I'm really sorry if I could not take your name out because we had so many questions that you have, so many of you. Yes. Very good everyone. So all the best. We'll be meeting again. And on that note, I'll say bye-bye. Keep yourself healthy and keep on learning with BYJU'S. Lots of love. Bye-bye.